Thinking about a hair transplant in Turkey, wondering if it's really worth it and how much it actually costs? Turkey has become the world's leading destination for hair transplantation, offering a unique balance between affordability, medical expertise, and organized patient care. In this video, we'll explain hair transplant cost in Turkey, what's included in typical packages, additional costs to consider, real results and risks, how to choose a reliable clinic, and how Turkey compares with the UK and Albania to help you make an informed decision. In Turkey, the journey of a hair transplant follows a structured medical pathway. It begins with a free online consultation where photos are evaluated to determine suitability, graft numbers, and the most appropriate technique, such as FUE or DHI. This is followed by the in-clinic visit, including blood tests and hairline design, one of the most critical steps for a natural result. The procedure is performed under local anesthesia, lasts around 6 to 8 hours, and involves precise extraction and implantation of follicular units. After the initial healing phase and a temporary shedding period known as shock loss, new hair growth begins, with final results typically visible between 12 and 15 months. In Turkey, the average hair transplant cost typically ranges between €2,200 and €4,800. This affordability is due to economic factors and high surgical volumes, not reduced medical quality. The final hair transplant price depends on the number of grafts, the city, the technique used, and the experience of the surgeon. Prices can vary between Istanbul, Ankara, Izmir, and Antalya, especially for larger sessions involving over 5,000 grafts. Hair transplants in Turkey are typically offered as all-inclusive packages. These usually cover the surgical procedure using FUE or DHI techniques, specialist consultation and hairline design, and preoperative blood tests. Packages often also include hotel accommodation, a complete post-operative kit with medications and shampoos, and a final checkup with the first assisted hair wash. This model simplifies logistics while maintaining medical safety. Beyond the package price, there are additional costs to consider. Flights are usually the main extra expense and vary by season and departure city. Patients should also budget for meals, personal expenses, and optional treatments such as PRP or mesotherapy. Long-term medications may be recommended, and it's important to confirm that all transfers and interpreter services are included. The final price of a hair transplant in Turkey is always personalized. The main factor is the number of grafts required to achieve adequate density. The technique used also affects the price, with DHI typically costing more than FUE due to specialized tools and longer operating times. The clinic's reputation, surgeons' expertise, and optional treatments further influence the final cost. Choosing a hair transplant in Turkey is no longer just a convenient option. It has become the global standard for patients seeking the best hair transplant. This is due to significant savings compared to the UK, highly specialized surgeons using advanced techniques, and efficient all-inclusive care. It remains crucial to know that the real value is not saving money, it's investing with the certainty of a safe procedure and a great result. Hair transplant results develop gradually over time. Healing occurs in the first week, followed by a normal shock loss phase between weeks 2 and 6. Visible regrowth starts around month 3 or 4, with final results achieved between 12 and 18 months. When performed in certified hospitals, risks are minimal and usually limited to temporary swelling or discomfort. Poor regrowth is not a risk of the technique, but of choosing the wrong clinic. Reviews should be read critically. Prioritize independent platforms, detailed patient stories, and real photos taken months apart. In a highly competitive market, choosing the right clinic is the most important decision you'll make. Look for direct surgeon supervision, realistic before and after portfolios, transparent communication, and procedures performed in accredited hospitals. Famous names are not automatically the right choice. The best clinic is the one that aligns with your goals and offers structured post-operative care. Booking directly with a clinic ensures transparent pricing and direct communication, while agencies may simplify logistics but often add commissions and reduce contact with surgeons. For UK patients, the decision often comes down to 3 destinations. The UK offers convenience but at the highest cost in Europe, and with fewer clinics specialized exclusively in hair restoration. Turkey offers the best global quality to price ratio, with unmatched surgical experience, but requires careful clinic selection. Albania represents the smart alternative. Competitive costs close to Turkey, short travel time from the UK, and rapidly growing European standard facilities. That balance between affordability and maximum reliability has a name: KEIT Clinic in Tirana. KEIT combines Italian surgical excellence with the competitive prices of Albania. With over 22,000 procedures performed and 11,000 verified patient reviews, KEIT is a reference point in medical tourism. Our all-inclusive packages cover accommodation just 2 minutes from the clinic, multilingual assistance, transparent pricing, airport transfers, payment plans, a written certificate of guarantee, and structured follow-ups. A hair transplant is not just a cosmetic decision, it's a medical investment that requires expertise, transparency, and long-term planning. Understanding real costs, clinic quality, and international options makes all the difference. If you're considering hair restoration, book your free online consultation today at www.kate.al and take the first step toward permanent natural hair growth.